AI Traffic Hijackr review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called AI Traffic Hijackr. And by the way, the link flashing at the bottom of the video saying grow your money 27% per year, that is not with this software. Okay, that's a different thing. I will talk about it. Okay, so if you want to grow your money, then we have a link below the video. Once you click on the first link, then you come to this page and watch that video. We'll explain that. So this AI traffic has got nothing to do with growing money 27%. These two are different things. Make sure you watch the video to understand what I'm talking about and how you can make that money. Okay, so starting with AI Traffic Hijackr, it says, what if you could recover your lost traffic? So it has, it's like something to do with growing your website and visitors and rankings, SEO, traffic, sales, and money, and none of that will happen. Okay, Google is dead. Dead as in Google is dying because people are searching more on ChatGPT and other AI platforms. For example, every day when I open my laptop and I'm working, I don't use Google search anymore. I have a couple of AIs, you can use Elon Musk's AI. You could use ChatGPT, and that's where you type in your search terms directly nowadays. Okay, so I don't really use Google anymore. So whether your website ranks in Google or not, I don't think there's much hopes you have right now. So I myself, being from the digital marketing SEO field, I know what SEO is, and no software will be able to rank you or give you traffic or anything like that. Okay, so we'll show you the demo video as well, which we have here, like 4 minutes long. So we'll play this demo video in the end. Okay, but we have some questions. Let's get done with the questions. So first question is, do you need experience? Of course not. They have to sell you the software, so no experience needed. Will AI Traffic Hijackr work? Yes. How quickly can I start using? Instantly you can start using. Does AI Traffic Hijackr guarantee rankings? Of course not. Can I use traffic? Blah blah blah. You can read everything. Okay, so 30-day money back guarantee. I challenge you, you will not get the money back. Anyways, so if you want a discount, I can give you a $30 discount. If you want to buy, this is your coupon code. Use this coupon code traffic VIP to get $3 off, and you will see what the software does inside the dashboard. And I am telling you, with my experience, I am pro in digital marketing and everything. You will make nothing out of this. Okay, you will not rank anywhere. Nothing will happen. You will get no traffic. I'm telling you that right now. Okay, at the same time, if you really want to make money, check out the first link below my video, enter your email, come to this page, because you know what, I was doing these reviews 5 years ago. I was doing these stupid reviews 5 years ago. And at that time, I was telling people to work hard and come on YouTube, because there was no such system back then which can actually print money while you do nothing. For example, if you die, will the system make money? So I have that system now. Even if you're dead, the system will make money for your kids. That's the system I got for you. And when I say I was doing these reviews 5 years ago, I know it's coming from a person who has done it, been there and did it before. Okay, so I was doing these reviews 5 years before. I got frustrated because this is not worth my time. Okay, and then I changed my field. I went into this thing called where is it here? I went into trading full time trading, mastered the trading, learned it, then developed my own software, my own robot, and that prints money now with 5 years money guarantee. Use my software, get it, use it for 5 years. If you don't print money, if you don't, let's say in 5 years, 27 into 5, how much is that? 100% more. I guess more than 100%. Okay, so 27% 1 year into 5. In 5 years, you will make, let's say, you calculate 27 into 5. Okay, that much money you will make in 5 years. Okay, so this is my challenge. This is my guarantee. 5 years money back guarantee, because 5 years ago I did not have the system. Now I do. It's not somebody else's system. It's my system, my brain. I have just burned my sweat and blood on this, okay? Because I was doing these stupid reviews 5 years ago. I had no such thing which prints money, because that was only a theory. That used to be a theory only, that, set and forget, print money, and blah, blah, blah. Make money while sleeping. All these terms are critical only. But when I changed my career, my expertise, I learned some new expertise, and then I got deep into it, because when I get into something, I never come second. If I choose to do something with my own interest and will, I have never come second in my life. I will be only the first one. Second person will be somebody else, okay? Whether it's my work life, personal life, if I choose to do something, I will always come first. Never came second in my life if I choose to do that thing, okay? So in this case, I have created this robot. This will print money, 5 years guarantee. Anyway, so Traffic Hijackr, these things will come and go in $17, $15, whatever, okay? I'll end this video for now, and I'll play the demo video as well, but none of this will make you money. These Traffic Hijackr, blah, blah, blah. I told you it's not going to work. It will not make you money. If you want to buy this, go and buy and make me money. But if you really want to grow your money, then check out the first link below and come and get the software, because this is not for everybody, by the way. Disclaimer here. It's only for people who got the money already. It's not for broke people. If you have $1,000, it's not for you. Do you understand? If you have $1,000, it's not for you. So forget that. If you are broke, or you have $100 to $200, it's for you. No, it's not for you. You got $1,000, it's not for you. You got $1,500, it's not for you. Cool? Right off the bat. So if you want to grow your money, means that you already have the money, you want the money to work, that then put the software and let the money work and print money, grow money in the times to come. Okay, you will understand nothing until you come and watch this video. For that, click the first link below. Anyways, now I'll maybe shut up and I'll show you this demo video here. So maybe I will do the commentary, maybe I will not. Let's see what's going on here. All right, I'm back. So you're watching this demo video, and I don't think you understand anything here because I don't. Nobody's in the video as well. They are just only having a background sound. They're not explaining verbally anything. So you're supposed to understand everything on your own. Just don't waste your time. Okay, just don't. Are we done? Let's see. We should be done in next few seconds. All right, I think we are done. So only God knows what this software is doing. And will you get any traffic or make any money with this? Answer is no. And that's clear. That's it. Demo is done. So that's it. Demo is done. All right. If you, by any chance, want to make real money without doing anything, if you want your money to work for you, check out the link below, the first one. Watch this video till the end, or you will understand nothing. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.